Yeah, but the big issue is, take every game on its merit. Okay, the one game you're going to use the kicking game. The one game you're going to have a little bit more of an open game. Some games you win with drops, some games you win with penalties. That's the way rugby is, and that's why it's so fascinating. And the thing is, if you can, and I think I did mention it a little bit earlier, if we can use past results to our advantage. At one stage it wouldn't have worked, now it can work, but unfortunately the game is 0-0 when it starts on Saturday, and that's the thing we need to understand. And the most important thing is, sometimes it takes 60 minutes for the game to break open, sometimes it takes 70 minutes, sometimes it takes 40 minutes. I've seen games where it was lost in the first minute. I said, okay, that's it. Because a team scored a great try, and suddenly you can see tails are up, and there's no comeback. Now you'll say to me, oh, but it's impossible, you've got 79 minutes. I've seen enough in 1 or 2 minutes to know today is not your day. That's how rugby works. If we lose, it's a bad ref, bad coach, bad captain. That's it. There is nothing else. If we win, it's a great team. That's how it works, Not a great coach, not a great captain, not a great crowd. That's the way it works, So we have been through it all. And I know how it operates. The most important thing for me is, while we are a little bit dominating at the moment, let's just keep dominating. Let's just destroy whatever is on the other side of the halfway line. That's the way I look at it. Because I love it when I think back at the last 40 minutes against New Zealand. That was unbelievable rugby. The weekend. Vleis mentioned it. The first half was a little bit, I want to say, difficult to watch. And the second half was absolutely fantastic. But it took us 40 minutes to and the Argentine side is not a bad side, to put them on their back foot, put them actually in their half and say, okay, you stay there. Okay, and for the day, you are actually going to play out of your own 22. And that's where they struggled, because they're not a bad side, not at all. But we destroyed them. Why? Because we dominated, as you all mentioned during this whole discussion. The thing is, while it's going the way it's going at the moment, let's take the advantages and let's stuff up the opposition and let's get over them and let the whole world understand at the moment we are actually the #1 team in world rugby.